Say goodbye to buffering. Google Wi-Fi 3-pack. Seamless, fast coverage for every corner of your home. Sick of Wi-Fi dead zones and constant buffering? The Google Wi-Fi System 3-pack is the ultimate solution to your connection woes. Designed to replace your old, clunky router, this system creates a seamless network that blankets your entire home. Whether you're working, streaming, gaming, or just browsing, you can finally enjoy consistent, high-speed Wi-Fi from every room and on every device. Forget about lag, buffering, and those frustrating no-signal moments. Get ready for smooth browsing without interruptions. Coverage that actually covers. The Google Wi-Fi 3-pack is a game-changer. Each Wi-Fi point covers up to 1,500 square feet, and with 3 units working together, it's perfect for homes up to 4,500 square feet. Say goodbye to dead zones in the basement, attic, or kitchen, and hello to fast, reliable Wi-Fi everywhere you go. Need more coverage? No problem. Simply add more points to extend your network further. It's as easy as plugging them in and letting the system do the rest. Setting up your Wi-Fi network has never been easier. The Google Home app walks you through the setup in minutes, so you can stop wasting time on complicated installations. It's like a Wi-Fi wizard in your pocket. Plus, with Network Assist technology, the system automatically selects the clearest channel and the fastest band for your devices, ensuring you always get the fastest connection. And if you need to prioritize devices or pause Wi-Fi on the kids' devices during homework time, it's all just a few taps away. Tech-tested, budget-friendly, and built to last. The Google Wi-Fi 3-pack is the perfect balance of affordability and cutting-edge technology. With compatibility for major ISPs like Comcast, Time Warner, and Verizon Fios, it works seamlessly with your current internet setup. Plus, it's future-proof with the ability to expand your network as needed, and each Wi-Fi point is designed to last, offering you long-term value. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in a hassle-free, high-speed future. Don't settle for slow, unreliable Wi-Fi. The Google Wi-Fi system offers superior performance and unmatched convenience. While other routers often leave you frustrated and disconnected, Google Wi-Fi takes care of the heavy lifting with easy setup, consistent speeds, and coverage that truly works. Whether you're streaming movies in 4K, gaming with friends, or working from home, the system is built to handle it all. It's not just Wi-Fi, it's the ultimate connection you've been waiting for. So, why wait? Upgrade today and take your internet experience to the next level.